In this quick tutorial, I will show you on how to disable comment section on a YouTube video. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about YouTube topic. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you upload a video on your YouTube channel from YouTube Studio. After you have successfully uploaded your video, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down to the last button right here where you have comments and rating. This is where you need to disable the comment section if you really want to. So for you to disable comment section for any YouTube video, what you need to do is to simply click on here. Then you have to simply scroll down from here and make sure you click on turn off. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So this simply means that nobody will be able to comment on your video. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to disable comment section on a YouTube video. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about YouTube topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.